Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to apply texture. So as example, you can insert the object. So I will use the cylinder object. And if you want to apply texture, you can go to window, rendering editors, and then click hyper shade. So in here I will create for the new texture. So I will use the Lambert here. And then we can set the names like into wood. The next, you can click at this icon in the color here to show for create render nodes and use file. Click the folder to insert the image and then searching for your image textures. As example, I will use this image. Click open. And to setting, you can click this wood materials and you can set like ambience and another option here. Okay. If you don't, you can minimize, and then to apply it to the object, you can select, right click, hold, and then you can move to assign existing materials, hyperset, and then use the wood material. So to view material texture in these objects, you can use the texture view. So that's it for basic Maya tutorial how to apply texture to object.